Yabona ngithenga ibhezi 3. Amen. Ngithenga nezitene ezi3. Ndiyayazi kaloku niyathetha mosika sithenga utywala. So, qoka ndithenga utywala 3 beers, 3 bricks. Andifuni umuntu ozokhalaza athi imali sigqiba etywaleni. Ndithenga izitene ezi3. Nebhezi 3. Nefish oil. Ankile yimi.
Oh. Sure. I got petrol.
Yeah, that's why I share.
Suman.
Frito, I'm Frito.
Youth.
Today is the youth.
Yeah.
Today is the youth.
Sibasha namhlanje.
Hola?
Freedom is coming tomorrow.
Yes.
Today is us
Today.
to the beautiful.
I'm a ward councillor asemsinga.
De blå van ons hemel, de diepste van ons je. Or ons je de bergtes, waar de granse antwoord je. Van ons wels. Ons je. Hey, kukugcina lapho nje sakhuleka. On the bloemen van Heer en de bloemen zijn plaatje. Ja, that's it.
Angeze kaloku ngize ngaze diplome fancy mere di khikhi lo khakhe abani khikhi.
Uyabona ke masifika lapho ngiyakwazi ukwethula ngesilungu kodwa mase kufika lapho kweAfrikaans hayi ngisikhanda nje iyamhlula. Yeah.
Siyafuna ubhalwa phansi ezi lyrics man because nam I struggle ngale part Afrikaans and ifumanisa igrand bayithini and I bet I'm not the only one.
I-message enginayo umakhansela akithi eMsinga
madoda ndiyanobe ndiyaphazama ndim lo ubona rongo kodwa ngathi ngu-V8 lo totoroji ngapha inobe injani ke ngokubaleka le V8 le hayi siyalungisa kodwa Suzuki hawuze kakubi u-V8
Engine heavy.
Ancanyaselwanga i-V8 ifondini le izambulala lo muntu u-V8 yakhe.
Ubani osusileyo usuze bani endlini sihleli
Hayibo.
nisuzele ntoni
Yiwa yinhle la view.
sukani ukusuza
Uthi mpha ukutya kodwa umphindiselwayo. Uthena da. Uthi umpha ukutya umphindiselwayo. Lolo uthini? I beg your pudding. I beg your pudding. Yeah.
Inento zami ngasikathi. Ntoni ngoku? My own things in life, I have my house.
Eish.
Ntoni ngosithatha?
I hope asongubabalwa.
Why?下面是啊，是这下是啊。什么？Lakon.
Uskebega. usigebeka ngoku wayesesetrongweni wayengusensei. Festile.
Ewe, siyaphi nalo festival?
Nibhetele nini uba isemva kwenu.
Yho, kunzima kwiiteksi zasephethe.
Apha emva kwethu ayinamngeni besemva kwethu ngempuka. Hayi singaphumi ifakwa apha emveni ayinawulunga ne.
Hayini bethu nani inkunzi ntoni sikula.
And I say to people to say, please don't get confused. You see, I'm a lecturer. Ne? Some of the things I passed them without understanding them. What did I do? I crammed them. And I'm saying, if you don't understand what I'm saying, don't get confused. Forget about understanding. Cram this thing. It does not change. This is how you must write it. We crammed that one because our lecturer taught us to cram that.
Fingerprints gone. Yakhulu. Taxi driver traffic in town.
Uyawa oyobanjwa itraffic lo. Lo mfo uzafunyana itraffic.
Sithathele bona babaleqise mhlawumbe kulonda bacinge bangancedakala kakhulu. Kodwa amaxesha amaninzi abaninzi bafika sebesolekile ngenxa yokuba bathathwa ngabantu
Yeka into. Ngicela manje ngicela ikaka kuchela mnga Yolanda. Khala bana nabagrand nabethu. Na image ngokeni busy ngayo ine flat la meeting. Xela ngoYolanda ikaka zabantwana.
Para mfuthu sipana kwasipanje lo.
Yeah, so aspa. Fuck. Ndikhole mistress mfito nesi mna.
Yolanda.
Akana degree. Check. Ana diploma.
But emncane nje mfuthu.
Umgo.
Anawema methi ke fathi soba amamethi ayagobisa mina ngifuna ugowela imethi ngifuna ugowela imali uba rich mentra rich wakho
wala
Kwamyanga ufokofe pack your damn clothes sethi shiya ezompahla yakho shiya kwampahla hamba nesiko yanga ngicela wami ubeka ikhadi lami ka discovery shiya nempahla sisi yanga when I land and arrive in that house ubungena because wow yanga ngibilile ezibasithethe. Now we accident.
Mali into negative.
Now we exit in my house accidental.
Hola. Yo, take me back early 2000 ngokuntwana nanso. Yo, awuzayibalisela igame. And enye into endiyibonayo pha is not that akho dish pha okanye abayi-afford idish. Ndiyabona khona i-PS4 pha etafleni, khona ilantuka, ii-games, khona ii-headphones nee-joysticker. Those things are worth more than i-dish. So bayayi-afford i-dish qha maybe TV extra or something. Yo.
Hayi kuzokuthi lapha abantu abangeni ngena imoto kuphela.
Hawu manje ngoba ungaphathi ithona imoto nawe ubungaphathi. Ihlobo lolunye lemoto ubungaphathi wena.
Hayi futhi wathi uyachwesa manje futhi angijoli kahle.
Cha ngikwenza ukuthi
Hayi ungazosijwayela. Musa nje lokukhuluma lento oyikhulumayo. Uyeza ukuthi kuthiwa imalapha.
Nawe imoto
Imalapha abangeni abantu la.
Cha phela ngithi ukuthi ngene imoto ngaphathi manje ubungaphathi. Oh uyibhasi ke wena wena.
Uma nawe akhuluma manje imali phezu imoto ufuna imoto
ngibona ngathi kusaba u5.
Yes. Yabona ezi.
Emu isanda njani iLion?
Lion.
Isanda njani?
After all, computers crash, people die, relationships fall apart.
Badala wezana.
Is breathe,
Phezu kwe-water tank. There's always that one.
His one. Bathi phambili wosihle mazibuko.
Ngiyacela mphakathi ukuthi sizokhetha ikhansela esilifunayo.
Ididi lelo. Ididi lelo.
Yo. Manje yini manje le? Bawenze so.
Taffy slide.
Uswenka ngeyo makamandla. How do you come to school like this? Manje mama kuthini? Mahana sikolo ngutla.
Andithi bamathini kodwa baye bafana ifuna uwina World Cup mayibizwe majani bafana iyatyizela gama akubasikwazi uwina kuba liyaqaphela kwirugby kuze irugby wine iWorld Cup eziyi2 ezilandelana nayo ikhokhelwa yintoni njani kudlala noni pha amaphimbi taphelele fast dlala majani jonga to back theory ke ngoku siye kwiqakamba sekwicricket ukuze icricket wine iTest World Cup ikhokhelwa yijani Themba bavuma ukuthi method yijani.
Be his piece, then there's me. Enjoy you can yadi le you. We're gonna go in park full of fast to that. Yes.
Akufana niyenzayo. Kwani yanga nongisathana apho nikhona nizothandaza. Che ngumlilo. Yu. Yona klaha man, klaha. Solo zenzayo. Suka bo.
Ay, kumile. Yo yikenyani.
Ngifana ndiyenzayo. Intoni ezenzayo? Uqabana nefly ebusweni. Andiyanga intoni ngo. Yes.
Ngeke uthi did you boat? Kumele uthi did you buy? Uyabona? hayi kabi bhuti wami nami bangithumile bengithi nje ngicorrect bafuza. It's actually not did you buy. The correct English term that you should use since the past tense is have you bought.
But now a correctional service. He is using the simple past tense and you are using the present perfect tense.
It's not did you buy, it's not did you bought, it's not did you bought. It's actually did you have to bought.
Because the correct way to say this is did you have bought it?
Actually, all of you guys are wrong. Any English-speaking person knows that it's buyed. When you have a past tense, you put a D. Did you buy it?
You don't say bought or buyed. You say have you purchased, right?
Okay, Bafo. Ngithi have you bought? It's not an English term, but it's a sentence. A term, it's a word. I hope you understand. Perhaps.
Both expressions are grammatically legitimate, yet they operate within entirely different temporal provinces.
Yekani isingisi hlukana no George.
Lento ilula kakhulu. Indlela eright yokusho ukuthi nje uthengile. Done.
You buying? Did you boughting? Did you konke? Sohluzwa phambili.
Nonke nje boats ikephe zingena phi zinsizwa.
Past tense of buy is bought. Past tense of bought is boughten or boughtened. So the correct term is it's either have you boughten or did you really have to boughten it?
Hey. Your mom turned the living room into a prayer meeting 5 seconds before Mukwena took the penalty. Guys, nibukela kwahlobo so kanina. Nizomela zinhliziyo one day.
Elina kuthula msala. Lintshela maselingenile. Yaba namandla onke malingene.
Hayibo.
Yo, Nkosi yami, yo. Mama. Yo,
Ukhomkhwela, yakufrustana ntwana yami. Next time okuri good look cover ntwana yami ungahide khonini. Good look cover, ngene neteam thatha ibhola ubuyele lesenta. Sicala labantu sashisa basadaweithi. But mistake yenza noma bani a human being but sengifuna in future ntwana mawukori goal kulo cover. Kuba bile kubul kora siba na 4 point. Bokungcono. But ngobe senza i1 point masenza ihlanje bahlala i-draw. Makulo cover.
Siya cover
thatha ibhola le neteam uyale awulibe ujayive uzenza uCristiano.
Ingathi uyawina.
Ngicela ntwana next time. If loku lead yawo ngaba yenza la uCristiano bakubamba inhliziyo ubamba ifu ubamba inyawo yabo. Kusho ukuthi ne-experience ekhulile ngeke-game but ukuyale kungitshela ukuthi hayi awakafike level ngicabanga ukuthi ukuwe because a senior player won't go and celebrate if you penalty we goal look cover otherwise don't mangili just with advice uyibheke next time.
What do you think ale advice kamfowethu? Unyazile yena because xa ukorile it's a cover goal. Siya recover suppose like ibhola sinqamela udlala xa ke understand because yabo it's a great opportunity for Mukwena ukora iWorld Cup yabo because ukhalile kwa before iqala igame uqale wakhala you know so maybe it was spiritual for him yabo but advice emjita, what do you think about the advice? Let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed today's video Bafethu. Until the next one, sure.